What's going on, YouTube? It's LJ's Pressure Washing once again with another video. Always hit that like, comment, subscribe so I can get more videos like this out to y'all in the future. I'm on my way to a current job site right now, Virginia Beach. I'm just cleaning one side of the house, just the front, the stoop, and then pretty much the walkway. So I'm gonna record that and let y'all see how to properly clean a house. See y'all soon. What's going on? I'm back. Here we go. We're spraying down this house. We're just coating it with water, pretty much just spraying it down, making sure everything is real wet before I go ahead and spray it, downstream it with my sodium hydrochloride. I'm just making sure it's very wet. Then I go back. I'm using the X-Jet for this one. So after I made it all wet, I come back with my chemical. Pretty much just spray it down. You want to spray a very heavy mix. Not too heavy, but about 4%, but just pretty much heavy on the house. Everything that you're going to be spraying. You're going to let it sit up there and dwell for about 10 minutes. Another thing for y'all guys to know, definitely you people that's using these X-Jets, make sure you tie your hose up when you disconnect it, because the last thing you wanted to do is the force that's already pulling from it siphoning chemical into the customer's yard. We're here to make money, not to lose it, guys. So after you get done spraying that, I'm pretty much spraying the stoop down very well. The same thing, pretty much loosen up all that old dirt and pretty much algae, mold, whatever was up there. Then come back downstream that also with my sodium hydrochloride. While the house, you can actually see, guys, if you actually look, you're not even using a lot of pressure. It's letting the chemical do its job. As I spray and I walk away, you can actually see it. You can actually see it leaving the surface. On this house, I had to go ahead and I pretty much sprayed it. I rinsed it off. I had to spray again because it didn't come off the first time. But I do the same thing, same process when I spray any surface. Even though y'all see me on this walkway, pretty much spraying it down with water just to make sure everything is wet. It is hot out here, guys. It's about 90 degrees out here in Virginia today. It's summertime, you get it. So pretty much doing the same thing. Now I'm about to go back, get my X-Jet bucket, and pretty much coat this surface down very well also. So you see, it actually looks nice. And I use some apple mask. Pretty much, you don't want it out there smelling like you're out here spraying a pool on somebody's house. So pretty much let that settle while I'm out here doing my job. It makes it a lot easier when you come back with your surface cleaner, or in my case today, I'm using a turbo nozzle. So I'm gonna let this video keep playing, guys. I'll be back a little bit shortly. Alright, as y'all can see, I'm back at the house. I'm pretty much just spraying pretty much back with the water, trying to give it a heavy rinse. Trying to make sure that everything that I sprayed earlier, the stuff that didn't disappear completely, that you're just spraying it off, and pretty much anything, leaves, pine needles, dirt, spider webs, making sure you rinse all that stuff off too, guys. In this case, which I'm about to see, I'm about to go back and get my X-Jet bucket again. There was a couple spots that after I sprayed it and let it dwell for a while, the chemical didn't get it completely off. So I had to come back with my X-Jet, pretty much spray it one more time, and ultimately it got it all off again. So that's what y'all see me. I'm about to walk away. I'm about to come back with my bucket, and I'm about to go ahead and spray this thing down one more time, guys. So what y'all see me doing right here, I'm going back and coming back with my turbo nozzle, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean the sidewalk off. I get it, yeah, I could be using my surface cleaner, but pretty much your turbo nozzle is pretty much the same thing. It's just a rotary nozzle that pretty much spins, and as y'all see, it's getting rid of all the, pretty much getting rid of all that black mold and dirt and stuff that's left down there. So if y'all see me, pretty much, look, it pretty much eats everything away. So by the time all this is gone and stuff, it's gonna look completely different. Of course, at the end, I go back with my chemical, and I pretty much give it a pre-treatment just to make sure that any organics that I left on the surface or anything that I might have missed or any marks that tiger stripes, get all that off. You might not see it in this video. For some reason, my phone ran out of space. I'm sorry, guys. I wanted to show y'all everything, but you know, but in the future, you know, I'm gonna make sure I get this stuff back out, and it's really good the next time. So y'all see me as I'm spraying. Boom! Look at that. Pretty work. Just watch, as you spray, it just disappears. Like magic, guys. But yeah, thanks guys for coming to watch this video. Once again, this is LJ's Pressure Wash out of Hampton Roads, Virginia. I'm just gonna be quiet and let y'all watch the rest of this video. But as I said in the beginning, please hit that like button, comment on this video, pretty much subscribe to my page. I'm trying to get more videos out to y'all in the future. I take good criticism, so if there's anything that I could work on, or if you didn't like something, by all means, let me know in the comment section. But if you just don't like seeing my videos in general, just whenever you see this one, just click that next button. But thanks again, guys, for watching. LJ's Pressure Washing. I'm out.